Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to your next project. In this project, we're going to be building a multi-page theme called Glosm, and we're going to implement quite a few things here. So as you can see, that we have a showcase area that is a carousel, and it's using background images instead of just an inline carousel like we did in the sandbox. And it has indicators and arrows, and it looks pretty nice. Down here, we just have some font awesome icons. We have a header area here. We're going to give it kind of like a parallax effect, so you can see that the image you can see different parts of the image as you scroll, and we're going to give it a dark overlay. We have this area here with this laptop picture with the actual theme in it. We have this here, so it says see what we do with a play button. If I click that, it's going to open a video, and it's actually just set to my YouTube trailer video, but you can set it to any YouTube video and it will play automatically. We have a photo gallery where if we click on a photo, it shows a light box. We'll be using a script called Echo Lightbox for that effect. Then we just have this basic newsletter form and a simple footer. So that's the home page, the about page. The inner pages are obviously going to be a little more simple, but we have this page header. We have this image, which we're going to kind of bring up into the header. We have these boxes with icons. We have a testimonial slider. We'll actually be using a third-party script called Slick Carousel, or Slick Slider, I think. And it looks pretty nice, and we can scroll through testimonials. And then on the services page, we have some service plans or subscription plans. These are actually cards with headers and footers along with list groups. Down here, frequently asked questions. We have an accordion, so we can look at different questions here if we want and answers, which is pretty cool. And then we have our blog. Okay, so the blog is just basically card columns, so cards with images, title, we have the author, and so on, and then some block quotes down here. And then the contact page has some contact info, has a nice little form, and has some staff members. And everything is completely responsive, so real quick, if we just make this smaller, and let's make this taller. So you can see everything is responsive. We have the nice little drop down. Okay, it looks good. If we look at the home page. Now I took the text out on very small screens just because it was too cramped, so it's just the images. And you can see everything else is really responsive. Everything is stacked. If we go to about. So for the about, I got rid of the image on very small screens. Testimonials looks really good still. If we go to services, so everything is nice and stacked. We have our accordion, and I'll show you the blog. So it's the blog page, and that's it. All right, so this is the largest theme of the 5 projects, just because there's a lot of stuff that we're going to do. We have a couple external scripts we're going to implement and carousel and things like that. All right, so let's go ahead and get started.